Good morning, students. We are doing formation of company and we have completed with the formation of private company with two of the functions, that is functions of promoter and incorporation of company. With this, a private company can start its business. But when we are talking about public company, two more stages are there, that is your capital subscription and commencement of business. So first we're going to start with capital subscription. Now, public company is required to raise finance by issuing shares. Now, how does a public company raise finance? He raise finance by issuing the shares. That is why that particular process is known as capital subscription. Now, it involves following steps. First one is SEBI's approval. Now, for issuing shares and raising the finance, a public company is required to obtain the approval of one board which is known as SEBI, that is Securities and Exchange Board of India. It is that body which regulates the selling and buying of shares in our India. Okay, so here first we have to obtain the SEBI's approval. Then coming to the next one, prospectus. Now, a prospectus is a notice, circular, advertisement, or we can say invitation to a general public to just invite them to please do subscribe the shares of my company. A copy of prospectus is also required to be submitted to ROC. Now listen students, we are just raising the finance from general public. Now whenever we are giving invitation to the general public to please come and do subscribe into the shares of our company, for this purpose a notice is being circulated and that particular notice is known as prospectus, and this is required to be submitted to ROC, that is Registrar of Companies. Third one, appointment of bankers, brokers and underwriters. Now, bankers are those persons to whom we're going to deposit whatsoever the money will be coming in the forms of shares. Okay, shares से जितना भी पैसा इकट्ठा होगा वो जिस अकाउंट में जाएगा और जिस बंदे के थ्रू जाएगा उसे बैंकर कहते हैं. What do you mean by brokers? Now, brokers are those persons who are ready to sell the shares of the company on the basis of commission. ये वो बंदे होते हैं जो कंपनी के शेयर्स बेचने के लिए रेडी हो जाते हैं and for each and every share they will going to charge commission from the company. Okay. Now, coming to that of the underwriters. Now, underwriters are those person who takes guarantee that had it been if the shares are not being subscribed by the general public, I will be that person who will going to purchase these shares. Okay, this is how the difference is between brokers and underwriters. Broker sells the shares for the commission, whereas underwriter takes the guarantee. In any of the case, if shares are not being subscribed by the general public, I will going to purchase those shares. So we're going to appoint all these three parties to further go with the issue of shares. Then coming to the next one, that is minimum subscription. Now, a company can start its allotment process. Okay, what do you mean by allotment? That is your distribution of shares process only when minimum subscription is received. Now, minimum subscription means the minimum response for the issue of shares. Okay, suppose if I am throwing 100 shares in a market, at that time I must got at least minimum subscription of 90 shares. So if that particular response is being received, then we're going to further do with the allotment of shares. In case the company does not receive share application amount of 90%, in case if we are not getting 90% of our minimum subscription, then we cannot allot shares and application money is again back returned to that of the persons to whom we have collected. Okay. Suppose I have thrown 1000 shares in the market. Okay, 1000 का 90% कितना होता है 900. So if I am getting the response for the 900 shares, I will going to proceed further with the distribution of shares. But provided if I am not getting 900 responses at that time, whatsoever the responses were coming at that time, I'll refund the money of them also and the whole issue process will going to get cancelled. So for just further distribution and allotment of shares, we have to just get at least minimum of 90% of subscription. Okay. Now, next one, application to the stock exchange. Now, a stock exchange is a place where buying and selling of securities takes place. Okay, जहाँ पे shares का बेचने और खरीदने का business चलता है वो platform आपका stock exchange कहलाता है. Okay, a company must apply to the stock exchange to deal in the shares. Okay, and if the company is dealing in shares, then he has to apply for that of stock exchange. The permission must be granted by stock exchange within a period of 10 weeks. Okay, सब्सक्रिप्शन क्लोज होता है, ये सब्सक्रिप्शन पूरे टाइम खुला नहीं रहता है. ओके, सपोज इफ आई एम थ्रोइंग 1000 शेयर्स, दैट सब्सक्रिप्शन लिस्ट विल बी ओपन फॉर से 10 days, 15 days. So within after that particular subscription list is closed, permission must be granted by stock exchange to the company within 10 weeks. Had it been if that permission is not being granted or permission is not being received, allotment becomes null and void. You cannot do the allotment, and had it been if you have just started with the procedure of allotment, it will be considered as null and void, that is उसे खारिज मान लिया जाता है. Okay. Next one is your allotment of shares. Now, company allot the shares to the applicants and issues allotment letter. If you are getting 90% of minimum subscription, if you have got the permission from the stock exchange also, at that time you are going to proceed further with that of the allotment of shares, and you will going to issue the allotment letter. Okay, the director or secretary of the company has to duly file the return of allotment to ROC within 30 days of allotment. Okay, now here the company's director and secretary will going to file a return of allotment within 30 days of allotment. कंपनी जैसे अलॉटमेंट कर देती है उसके 30 दिन के अंदर अंदर डायरेक्टर और सेक्रेटरी को रिटर्न ऑफ अलॉटमेंट फाइल करना पड़ता है आरओसी के साथ. ओके, सो हियर वी हैव कंप्लीटेड विद द कैपिटल सब्सक्रिप्शन प्रोसेस, जिसके अंदर सबसे पहले आपको सेबी का अप्रूवल लेना पड़ता है. देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स यू हैव टू इशू द प्रोस्पेक्टस, देन यू हैव टू अपॉइंट द 3 मेजर पार्टीज, दैट इज बैंकर्स, ब्रोकर्स एंड अंडरराइटर्स. नेक्स्ट वन, यू विल गोइंग टू गेट एटलीस्ट 90% of the subscription, which is known as that of the minimum subscription. Until you are getting that, you cannot proceed further with the allotment of the shares. Then you have to file the application to the stock exchange, and you must get the permission within 10 weeks of that of closing of subscription list. If you are not getting the permission, then allotment becomes null and void. Then we have to allot the shares, and the directors and secretaries of the company will going to file return and allotment to the ROC. Okay, coming to the fourth step of public company, that is commencement of business. Now, once the company is raising the finance with the help of issue of shares, it will going to apply to ROC for the certificate of commencement of business. Okay, so ROC will going to give certificate of commencement of business to the public company, but when we are filing an application, the following documents must be attached. Okay, now first one is a declaration that all the shares are subscribed and allotted. हमने पिछले स्टेप में जितने भी शेयर्स मार्केट में थ्रो किए थे सबके सब सब्सक्राइब हो चुके हैं और सबको अलॉट कर दिया गया है. नेक्स्ट, a declaration that cash is received from the directors against the shares given. Okay, now here we are talking about the first directors of the company who have signed the memorandum, and to whom whenever we are just giving the shares, these are known as qualification shares. So here we are talking about a declaration that cash is received from all the first directors to whom the qualification shares are given. Then a declaration that no money is payable to the applicant on the account of failure of not receiving minimum subscription or for not getting permission from stock exchange. Now, had it been if suppose minimum subscription is not being achieved or we have not got the permission from stock exchange, at that time किसी का भी पैसा बचा नहीं है और जिन जिन का भी पैसा आया था हमने वो वापस से लौटा दिया है, इसका डिक्लेरेशन होता है. Last one, a statutory declaration that all the legal formalities are duly complied with and it must be signed by the director and secretary of the company. Now, if the registrar is being satisfied that all these documents are filed in a proper manner and application is up to the mark, he will going to issue a certificate of commencement of business to the public company, and from this particular stage onwards, a public company can also start its business. So here we have completed with the formation of public company also. In the next video, we're going to catch up with the next topic. Have a good day. Stay home. Stay safe.